Welcome back to another installment of Math with Miss Lopez. My name is Marisol Lopez, and I am your second grade math virtual content specialist. Think of me as your teacher's helper. Today we are going to deepen our understanding of arrays and repeated addition equations. Can't wait to get started. In a previous video titled, What is an Array?, we learned all about arrays. If you did not watch that video, I am including it here. In today's lesson, we will dive a little deeper into our learning of arrays. The question that we're going to answer today is, how can you decompose, which is a college word for break apart, arrays into rows and columns and show repeated addition? Before we begin answering that question, we need to quickly review what an array is. An array is a group of objects or pictures that are arranged in rows and columns. Let's look at this array. Rows go side to side, and columns go up and down. How do you know which of these to look at when you're writing your repeated addition equation? Let's practice. Usually when you are reading a word problem, it will tell you if you're paying attention to rows or columns. Let's read this word problem together. William has a collection of toy cars. He lines them up in 4 rows of 5 cars. Make a model of William's array. B. Write a repeated addition equation that matches the array you created. I will give you 30 seconds to create an array to match this word problem. Remember, you can create a table and then draw circles on Google Slides to represent the toy cars in William's collection. You may also choose to draw this on paper just to practice quickly. All right, 30 seconds. All right, time's up. Does your array look like mine? Awesome. Now we are going to write a repeated addition equation for this array. We are going to do this together. Follow me. Since we are looking at the rows of this array and there are only 4 rows, then that means our repeated addition equation will only have 4 addends. According to the word problem and our array, William has 5 cars in each row. Therefore, the repeated addition equation will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, and we know that equals 20. Let's look at another problem from today's lesson. This one says, look at the array below. How many columns are there? Does each column have an equal number of beans? How many beans are in each group or column? Write a repeated addition number sentence to match the array. Well, let's see. I remember columns go up and down, so I am seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. The next question says, does each column have an equal number of beans? Well, I'm noticing 1, 2, 3, 4 beans in this one, 4 beans in this column, 4 beans here, 4 beans there, and 4 beans in the last column. So I'm going to say yes. How many beans are in each column or group? Well, we just counted. There are 4. And the last question says, write a repeated addition number sentence to match the array. Well, I already know that this time we're looking at columns. So my repeated addition sentence will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 addends and a sum. I am going to put the number 4 inside each of those blank spaces because remember, each column has 4 beans. And guess what? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 also equals 20. Now I'm going to put in my answers for the questions, and I'm going to give you a few seconds to compare. Do you have the same responses as me? Awesome! If you need more time, feel free to pause this video and check your work. I am noticing some similarities and differences between the two arrays. Wow! One similarity is that they both gave us a total of 20, even though both arrays were so different. One array had 4 rows of 5 cars, and the other array had 5 columns of 4 beans, but they both gave us a sum of 20. Let's review. Arrays can be decomposed by columns or rows. A repeated addition equation must match the array. Remember, the repeated addition equation should match what you are being asked to look at in the word problem, depending on whether it's columns or rows. You did an amazing job decomposing arrays and writing repeated addition equations with me on Google Slides. Remember to save your work to show it to your teacher. Until next time, bye-bye.